my idea was to work on Esro. What Esro is, the grunge power dressing brand. Hi, I'm Simran Rawat. I'm from Fashion Business Management batch, and I'm in the final year batch of 2024. What Esro is a grunge power dressing brand. So Esro comes from my name. So my name is Simran Rawat. So S from my name and Raw from Rawat. So it gives a really raw and dark and like really bold feel to it. So that's where the name came from. As I told you that I've mixed two different styles, that is grunge and power dressing. Power dressing is about being sophisticated, having power shoulders, shoulder pads, strong shoulders. And grunge is about really being very rough and self-expression. And it's really, I think, dark on the side because you are making a statement through your pieces. As a fashion business management student, my expertise lies in the back end of the fashion brand. That is analyzing the market, testing the market before launching the brand, being aware of the trends that are going on right now. For example, Esro is relevant right now because of the office siren trend that is going on right now. And if we talk about designing the clothes and everything, so I usually plan it with other designers, and it's in the planning process right now. And I take insights from all the professionals of the design industry. So before starting the brand, we're supposed to do the market and industry analysis. In that, we observe what the consumers really want. But if the consumer is not accepting it, the business cannot go forward with it. So I took a lot of surveys, a lot of personal interviews and group discussions with multiple potential target market and analyzing the industry. So this brand falls under the streetwear industry, which is really trending right now. So streetwear is booming in India right now. And people are willing to express themselves through fashion, through statements. So one of the insights that I got when I was studying the market industry and the whole analysis, including Pestle, Porter's, Five Forces and everything, I got to know that in a survey that when I asked a consumer, will you be interested in a power dressing grunge brand? So the consumers were not really aware of the concepts, but when I showed them the picture, so they were really accepting the idea of it. So there is concept awareness is not there, but they're definitely accepting the style of it. All my merchandise is a mix and a collection of having three main bold colors, that is electric blue, black and chrome. So I've worked around with these. So the brand is actually very dark, but at the same time it brings out itself through really bright colors. I've distributed my merchandise into three, that is the experimental, the innovative and the core. And I've curated the sari as a leather border, and the women is wearing leather boots, leather gloves and some statement piece jewelry that is probably of chrome. So that was one of our most interesting pieces. I've decided to keep a silver bag. Along with it, the garment will be wrapped with a blue or a green satin or a thick blue sheet. Along with that, it will come with a blue ribbon on the top. And there is a really, really important surprise element to this, and something that I've been really excited about. And that is, since I'm really into poetry, no one can infer from a brand that this brand was inspired by poetry. So when you receive the package or when you take that home, there's a special card inside it. And it has works from one of my favorite writers, and it has a beautiful quote written on it with my branding. I'll be selling the brand with the medium of D2C, that is direct to consumer, with the help of Instagram and websites and all the social media platforms. I've chosen D2C initially because I really want to see how the brand works as we go further, and if it turns out great, I'll definitely be having a concept store. So the brand Esro is premiumly priced. So I really wanted to choose business plan, and one of the main reasons was when I came to college, I've been doing internships since then, and I really wanted to work on something of my own. For example, the whole year I researched on a lot of brands, but the seriousness I'll deal with this brand, which is of my own, is really different. Coming up with the financials, where will I be making profits, the capex, opex, when will the BEP be covered? So break even and everything, we need to consider that and come up with it. And I think this project has brought me knowledge from all the aspects. As we talked about multiple aspects, from marketing to financials to branding. So while I was working on this project, I was designing, I was taking the fabrics, I was going on industry visits, I was talking to a lot of designers at the same time. I was talking to accountants for the financials, that is it even practical to launch this brand, and how much should the pricing be accordingly, and then according to the pricing, eventually figuring out